In this video, I'll show you how you can add hyperlink to a LinkedIn message. So this is very simple. You just need to open this messaging box in the bottom right corner. And from here, you can choose from your existing messages with people, or you can find by this icon. So click on this icon, and then you need to type name of person to which you want to send hyperlink message. So let's say I'm gonna just type some random guy. Then you select him. Then you need to go to your hyperlink or website. You need to copy your link by Ctrl+C and then paste it here by Ctrl+V and press this blue icon or hit enter. And this will send a message. And as you can see, it's automatically hyperlink. So this is how you can send hyperlink message. So if you click on it, it will open YouTube. So this is how you can send hyperlink message on LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.